Artificial intelligence changing the human world, as machines are also have emotions, behaviors, attributes, objects, etc. Nowadays we are also talking with our machines, like we are talking with Siri, we are talking with Google Assistants, we are talking with Alexa. These all are under in the artificial intelligence. These all are included artificial intelligence, and that's why we are calling them artificial intelligence machines. The demand of AI is increasing day by day. Another reason is that universities, governments, startups, and tech giants are all investing in AI. Companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, all of these companies have heavily invested in artificial intelligence. So AI is rapidly growing both as a field of study and also as an economy. So actually you are understand what is AI and how it is work. Now, artificial intelligence technology is capable of making human tasks easier, as nowadays our machines doing very much our work. That's why human टास्क ईजी हो गए हैं, जिस वजह से मशीन्स जो हैं कैपेबल हो गई हैं ह्यूमन जैसे काम करने में. Organization across the world are using it to create artificial systems and machines that are performing specific tasks. These systems and or machines are reducing time, effects, and errors by increasing efficiency, but not without risk, as cyber crimes is also increasing because of artificial intelligence, as hackers use this artificial intelligence techniques in their hacking system. That's why it's also a disadvantages as well as advantages, because it's a new technology in computer field. Obviously it's also have advantages and disadvantages. Some uses for their advantages and some uses for misuse the things. Now, every technological advancement and breakthrough bring risk along with benefits. This is true for AI as well. AI can also be misused. It can be used to make weapons which can act as more efficient and at the terrorist same time destructive too. Terrorists can use this technology to maximize the impact of their attacks. Cyber criminals can use it for hacking people. AI technology also poses serious privacy concern. Due to this, organizations and scientists across the world are pushing for government regulation in this sector. Artificial intelligence has been a substance in legends and science fiction for years. Everyone talks about this technology. Many doomsday prophets have even predicted a scenario in which AI will take over and human beings will become slaves. Yes, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा मिसयूज़ भी हो रहा है क्रिमिनल्स में, साइबर क्राइम्स में, हैकर्स में, बिकॉज आर्टिफिशियल मशीन्स कैन डू वर्क सेम एज ह्यूमंस. आर्टिफिशियल कैन ऑल्सो थिंक इंटेलिजेंटली एज ह्यूमंस, मोर देन think as humans. That's why artificial machines are misused nowadays. Now, we are discussing about artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence or AI was first used in 1956, but it did not gain popularity until much later. With time, the use of computer increased, the internet was born, and the mobile internet picked pace. All of this led to an increase in data volumes, the improvement in the computer's computing powers, increased data storage capabilities, and as a result, the AI gained popularity. Yes, nowadays AI is increasing because we are using phones very much, and we are having the phone with a great. Nowadays, our mobile phones having advanced features. That's why we are more use artificial intelligence in our mobile phones recently now. The research in AI during the 1950s was restricted to problem solving and symbolic methods. During 1960s, the pioneering work in the AI field was done by the US Department of Defense. That's why working on creating computers capable of acting like human beings. In 1970s, the US Defense Advanced Research Project Agency completed the street mapping project. Incidentally, the first intelligent personal assistant was produced in 2003, long before Siri, Alexa, or Cortana. Human-like robots and artificial intelligence of science fiction are far away from reality. The development of self-aware AI has not shown much progress, and it will continue to exist in the field of science fiction for some more time to come. In 1950, Alan Turing was published a paper in which speculated about the possibility of creating machine the thing. So he created what is known as Turing test. This test is used whether determine whether to note computer is think or note. So he created what is known as Turing test. This test is basically used to determine whether or not computer can think intelligently like a human being. He noted that thinking is difficult to define and devised his famous Turing test. So basically, if a machine can carry out a conversation that was indistinguishable from a conversation with a human being, then it was reasonable to say that machine is thinking, meaning that the machine will pass the Turing test. Now, unfortunately, up to this date, we haven't found a machine that has fully cleared the Turing test. So, the Turing test was actually first serious proposal in the philosophy of artificial intelligence. Followed by this, the era of 1951, the game AI. In 1956, now this is probably the most important year in the invention of AI, because in 1956 for the first time the term artificial intelligence was coined. Alright, so the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy at Dartmouth College in 1956. Coming to the year 1959, the first AI laboratory was established at MIT. First AI lab where research was performed at MIT lab, which is still running until date. 1960, the first robot was introduced to the General Motors assembly line. 1961, first chatbot was introduced, but now we have a Siri, Alexa, etc. This is followed by the famous IBM Deep Blue. 1961, first chatbot was invented. Okay, now IBM 1997, the news broke down the IBM Deep Blue beats the world champion, the Garry Kasparov, in the game of chess. So this was kind of the first accomplishment of chess. It was able to beat the world championship in the chess. So now in 2002 or 2005, a challenge is made. In 2002, Amazon replaces human editors with an automated system, means with machines. 2005, a robotic car named Stanley, which was built by Stanford racing team, won the DARPA Grand Challenge. In 2011, Apple Siri, a personal voice agent, is released. In 2016, we have Google AlphaGo defeats. These are some history of AI. Now the next topic we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.